What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from SeaWorld Orlando for an Icebreaker roller coaster construction update. Hopefully there's been some progress. Let's go! Yep, no wait to get through temperature screening, security, or through the front entrance, and we are on our way. And yes, we still have flicks and fireworks going on. We can see $50 per vehicle, $40 for pass members. Check online to see what shows are actually playing. Pacific Point Preserve, and from what we've heard, there are quite a few baby seals right over here. Let's go try to find some. There's a couple babies. Good news, ladies and gentlemen. Journey to Atlantis is back in operation. One thing to note though, make sure you get on before 6 p.m. because it closes for fireworks. Interesting. Kraken Unleashed, and the same thing over here. Make sure you get your ride before 6 p.m. because they also close for fireworks. You guys may be thinking, fireworks are over at the lake, way over there. Well, these guys, along with Journey to Atlantis, help with crowd control. Construction ducks. And there's Icebreaker from across the lake. And I'm not saying too much different, to be honest.
Because I'll be gone most of August, so I won't really hear much. San Antonio and then New Jersey and Philadelphia.
There's no better animal to represent the ocean's beauty than the killer whale. They live. We are one world, united by our ocean.
These behaviors keep our whales active and engaged.
Are the ocean's top predator. They use cooperation and communication, not just size and strength, to take their place us faster than an Olympic swimmer. High climb and power.
Eat all of that and more. These behaviors contribute to an environment that is full of enrichment. Scientifically known as Porcinus orca, commonly called killer whales. Here at SeaWorld, we call it. Katina is also the matriarch or leader of our pod. Now here at SeaWorld, our training, encouragement, commitment, and care. Through these techniques and our relationship, and we're going to demonstrate a couple of those healthcare behaviors. Now, like I said, we normally start off trainers. Not only does this give us a great look at their entire body, but it also gives us time to calm and relax throughout the procedure. Now watch us as trainers, we're always rubbing down the animals, sometimes about 4,500 pounds each. You'll notice, though, that the bore structure enables us to ensure accuracy so that we know the younger whales are growing properly and that the older whales are maintaining a healthy weight. Hey guys, check out Bettina. She's back. So great to hear. Thank you so much for being here. You're welcome. All right, we're getting through this quick. You guys are following the rules. Nicely done. Thank you so much. And then she's coming up and on the water.
Work walls are still up over here to the right of Wild Arctic. And speaking of Wild Arctic, well, the simulator is still down, but the exhibit is open. But if you do notice, it says this entrance is temporarily closed. Please use the gift shop to gain access. Alright, so now we're over by the gift shop for Wild Arctic, and there's a couple things I wanted to point out. When we were up by the stadium, I noticed the train was uncovered, and it looked like it had been moved. It also looked like there were some other different things that were in the station area, like the tarps were taken down. So I'm wondering if we're starting to see a little bit of work coming from Icebreaker site. Something kind of nice is because Bayside Stadium is open for the fireworks, well, we get an up close view of Icebreaker. Oh hey, look, a top hat with no trims. You guys remember that construction fence that was over here? Well, it's gone. Now we just have the barricades right here, but we can see it's the ramp leading into the water. Infinity Falls, and currently it is not in operation. Mako! We can see it running right there. Looking good. 2 trains today, but it does have a little bit of a wait at 25 minutes. Well guys, that's going to do it for our video here from SeaWorld Orlando for Icebreaker roller coaster construction. And I don't know what to say other than maybe, fingers crossed, the bills have been paid. We might have some action on the site, hopefully pretty soon. We'll see, of course, and we'll keep you updated. So if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem. And I will see you out on the Midway.